Hi, it's Kim with Fit Bodies for Life, and I'm here in the kitchen making a healthy snack recipe for you to give you some ideas on items that you can actually put into your meal plan that are healthy. They kind of help eliminate that sweet craving. These are called peanut butter balls. So you're going to take your peanut butter, everything's a half a cup here, so we got half a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of oats, and then a half a cup of any vanilla or even chocolate flavored protein powder to give you your protein intake for your snack. Then a half a cup of cereal, the Kashi Go Lean, and then 1/4 cup of honey. So we're going to put that all together, mix it up really good, and these will make, you get to have 2 servings, 2 peanut butter balls per snack. Now, in our meal plans, Fit Bodies for Life, we call them transformation program and plans because they truly help you have a life-changing transformation. Myself, at the age of 45, decided that I was going to change my life and make better choices, started working out, eating right, and making choices that transformed my body. Didn't know anything about food, didn't know anything about reading labels, created all of the programs and things that I've done from scratch. And now we have hundreds of people that are making life-changing transformations with our meal plans. And this is just one idea of a healthy snack and recipe that you can have out of many of our programs. So anyway, mix this all together, and you're gonna roll those up into about one inch balls and put them on a plate or platter and put them in the refrigerator, let them set up. Now what I like to do with mine is I bag those up in 2s so then they fit, like I said, in our meal plan. We know exactly where to eat those. And by bagging those up, then you're not gonna overeat on that item as well. So this recipe is in our $1 program. It is a transformation program that we're offering to you with confidence, knowing that you're going to have some great results for just $1. So this is an amazing recipe. We have many, many more, over 80 recipes in our Healthy Fit Cooking Cookbook that you can take advantage of as well. So click the link, join us, and we're going to put you in our Fit Tribe, which is going to give you some amazing support and help you along your journey. And we'll see you in the Fit Tribe.